Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, for the month of July, so I always do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Tetris Ipsy palette. I will put a link to that video that talks about how to enter that in the description box down below. I have my 100th video giveaway. I'll put that in the description box down below as well. And pretty soon we're gonna have our 200th subscriber giveaway. So all sorts of fun stuff going on. I've already got a box set aside of stuff for when we hit that 300 subscribers, so help us get there. So today we're gonna be unboxing Birchbox. Birchbox has always been hit and miss for me. They've kind of raised their prices, and last month I had a really bad experience with them. I had specifically picked a curated box that I wanted. I had the email, everything, and they didn't send it to me. They sent me a different one. I got a hold of their customer service. They said that they would send me the one item that I really wanted out of that in the mail. Still haven't gotten it. So kind of, I did order one extra item, because you can order extra items off of your Birchbox, and I do have a link for Birchbox down below if you want to check them out. Kind of helps you out and helps me out at the same time. So the one extra item that I did order was a full size of their Tipsy Lip Crush Lip Oil. We got this in a sample size and I loved it, so I went ahead and ordered the full size. I love lip stains when I, just really quick on the go, and they last all day. Love them. So Birchbox raised their prices to $15 a month. It's usually about 5, either deluxe size, sample size. Every once in a while you will get a full size in there. So let's dive into this box. This is a card that talks about the products. There is a code in here for 20% off Discovery Kits and limited edition boxes. The code is exclusive20. Ooh, here is from Derma Essentials Overnight Peel. Full size of this does retail for $18.75, and wake up to radiant skin thanks to this non-abrasive exfoliating treatment made with alpha hydroxy acids. Apply an even layer to your face at night and rinse off in the morning. That'll be good to use. So I've got a masking review series that I do, and I might try this with my overnight masks. So here's a product that is new to Birchbox. It is from Beautycounter. It is the Countersun Mineral Sunscreen Lotion SPF 30. Full size of this is retail for $25. I have been getting more into mineral sunscreens than other ones. They're just better for you. They're better for the environment. Yes, most of them will leave a white tint, but if you put it on before your foundation, you should be fine. So protect yourself from skin aging rays with this nourishing mineral sunscreen that won't leave any white residue. That's kind of interesting, because most mineral sunscreens that I've encountered anyway, they always leave a white hue. So this will be interesting to try out. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. Here's what it kind of looks like. It does have a safety seal, so let's go ahead and take that off. I always feel better when there's safety seal on the products. Here's what it kind of looks like on the back of the hand. Let's rub it in to see if we do have a white cast or not. I would say there's definitely still a little bit of a white cast to that. Because when you shear it out a ton, you're really putting the SPF a lot further down. So yeah, I can shear it out, get that white tint a little bit better, but now I just reduced the SPF on here from a 30 to probably about a 4, which we all want the 30. Here is, they say it's a full-size product. It's by Beautaniq Beauty. It's a blush serum in the shade Sunset. This retails for $16. It's a lightweight water-based blush, gives your cheeks a natural coral flush while nourishing your skin with apricot seed and vitamin E oil. Let's open this guy up. It It is wrapped in kind of a safety seal. As the older I get, the more I start liking cream products over powder products, so I'm excited to try this. Here's what it kind of looks like on the back of the hand. I think that's probably way too much, but let's kind of shear it out here. Ooh, this is really pretty. But yeah, I put on way too much there. But there you can kind of see how pretty that would look. You can also, I mean, shear it out a lot more too. This is really pretty. Also new to Birchbox is it Will People? It's W3LL People. It's the Bio Bronzer Loose Powder. Full size retails for $21.99. Give your complexion natural sun-kissed color that corrects redness and creates dimension. Use a fluffy brush to blend into skin below your cheekbones, down the side of your nose, and on your forehead and chin. So I'll have to try this one out. From Davines is their SU Hair and Body Wash. Full size retails for $24. This revitalizing gel cleanses from head to toe, hydrating skin and protecting hair from sun damage. And it doesn't really have a scent or all, so this will be good. Finally, there's a perfume sample. I don't think I've had a perfume sample in any of my Birchboxes before. This is the Lavanila Hydrating Fragrance, Pure Vanilla. It's a perfume, full size retails for $48, while comforting notes of Madagascar vanilla, tonka bean, and jojo berry. The scent is a beauty equivalent of a warm cashmere sweater. A little spritz. You can really smell the vanilla and kind of a woodsy smell. Don't inhale it like I just did. I would have put this in more of a winter box or a late fall. It doesn't seem like a really summery scent to me personally. When I think of summer scents, I think of kind of light florals and citrus. So you save this one for the winter. So I think it was a good box. You did get a full-size product in here. You know, you got this, you know, you got the blush, some sunscreen, a couple other things. What were your guys' favorite things? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.